Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepare this awesome fried chicken breast with some Scotch Bonnet and brown sugar sauce. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So here I have my chicken breast and it's already clean and washed, and you can always go ahead and use some vinegar and some lime juice or some lemon to just clean your chicken breast, alright? So firstly, I'm going to go in and season. I already went ahead and add some paprika, and I will also add some soya sauce. Now for the soya sauce, there's a lot of soya sauce on the market. You guys can always go ahead and choose a soya sauce that you can afford or the one that you like. All right, I will also go in and add some black pepper and some all-purpose seasoning. Again, if you guys have other seasoning that you want to add to your chicken breast, you can always go ahead and do so. All right, we want to ensure that our chicken breast is seasoned properly. So once all of that seasoning go on to our chicken breast, we're going to combine everything together nicely. All right, put it in the fridge for roughly about an hour to an hour and a half before we cook. All right, alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and prepare the dry ingredients for our chicken breast. So here I have my flour, and it's already seasoned with the regular paprika, the all-purpose, and some black pepper. I went ahead and combined all of that nicely together because we want our seasoning to be evenly distributed in the flour. So we're just going to combine both the flour and the chicken together. I already went ahead and put my frying pot on the stove with some vegetable oil that I'm going to fry my chicken breast in. So I'm going to allow that to heat up until I'm finished combining both the flour and the chicken breast together. All right, so now that my chicken breast is nicely coated and my oil is hot, I'm going to go ahead and place my chicken breast in the hot oil. And of course, we want our chicken breast to be nicely fried properly. We want it to be golden brown. And also guys, remember to turn on your stove on medium heat, because we don't want our chicken breast to burn up. All right, and we want it to cook properly. Try to be careful guys, so that you don't hurt yourself, oil don't splash up on you and you hurt yourself. All right, be sure to dust off any excess flour from your chicken breast. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to flip my chicken breast over on the other side and allow the other side to be golden brown as well. This should take you roughly about 30 minutes in all to prepare everything, and you're out of the kitchen. Really easy, really simple. All right. I went ahead and prepared some onion, some Scotch Bonnet pepper, some garlic, and some bell peppers for my awesome meal. I went ahead and also combined both the brown sugar, some ketchup, and some water together, and a little bit of soya sauce that I'm going to use for my awesome sauce that I'm going to make for my chicken. All right, so I did all of that off camera just to save me some time. So now that my chicken breast is all fried, I'm just going to go ahead and remove them, and of course we want the excess oil to drain from our chicken breast. All right, so you can always hop to put the chicken breast on a plate with napkin so that the napkin can soak up the excess oil from the chicken breast. All right, and the same pot that we fried our chicken breast in, that's the same pot that we're going to use to make the sauce. So we just want to throw away the excess oil, and whatever oil leave in the pot, then that's what we're going to use, but we don't want a lot of oil. All right, so as you can see, I went in and add the onion, the bell pepper, my Scotch Bonnet pepper, and my garlic. And guys, listen, the flavor that is coming from the seasoning is awesome. So as I said earlier, this is the brown sugar, the soya sauce, and the ketchup that I mixed together, and I'm just going to combine that. I want that to cook or until it is thickened. All right, we don't need to put anything in there to thicken our sauce because the ketchup will automatically thicken the sauce. All right, remember guys, to turn your stove on medium heat. All right, so we're just gonna place our chicken breast in the sauce and allow it to nicely combine together. We're going to combine it and then voila, we are finished. So I'm gonna serve this up with some white rice, some fried plantain and lettuce on the side, and show you guys the final product. Guys, listen, this is so awesome. Look at the color. Listen, and the Scotch Bonnet pepper. Totally amazing. So you can always go ahead and serve this up with whatever you have at home. Guys, remember to be creative. Remember to be you in the kitchen and utilize whatever you have at home. All of these ingredients, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery store. Remember to just check out the prices and see if you guys can, you know, work out a thing or two. So this is the final product. As I said earlier, I serve it up with some white rice, some lettuce on the side, and some fried rye plantain. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out. And remember to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.